Hello, dear students. Here is a quick revision of geometrical properties of circle. First property is an angle at the center of a circle is twice that of any angle at the circumference subtended by the same arc. In this circle, O is the center and this AC is an arc which subtends an angle at the center of the circle named as AOC. This angle AOC is twice than that of the angle subtended by the same arc at the circumference of the circle. Angle subtended by the same arc at the circumference of the circle is ABC. So over here this angle ABC is half of than that of the angle subtended by the same arc at its center. So we can write it as angle AOC equal to double of the angle ABC. For the same situation, we may say that angle AOB is angle ABC is half of the angle AOC, means the angle subtended by the arc AC at the circumference is half of the angle subtended by the same arc at the center of the circle. Now same property with the second case. In the second case, here in a circle, this angle, reflex angle AOC is subtended by the major arc ABC, right? And the angle subtended by the same arc at the circumference is the angle APC. So over here the angle, reflex angle AOC is double of the angle subtended by the same arc at the circumference, means angle APC. So we may say that this angle APC is half of that than that of the reflex angle AOC, right? Reflex angle AOC is double of the angle APC, or we can say angle APC is equal to the half of the reflex angle AOC. Second property is an angle in a semicircle is always equal to 90 degrees. This is a circle with center O and the angle ABC is an angle subtended by the semicircle. So this angle ABC is a right angle. So the property second, an angle in a semicircle is always equal to 90 degrees. In the same circle, the angle APC is also an angle of 90 degrees. Why? Because this angle is also angle in a semicircle, right? As this circle has the diameter AC, so the angle ABC or the angle APC should be equal to 90 degrees. Third property of the angles in the circle is angles in the same segment are equal. Here is a circle with center O AB is a minor arc here. This AB is the minor arc in this circle, and this arc subtends an angle at the circumference on the point C. So this angle is ACB, and the same arc subtends another angle at the circumference on the other one point at D, an angle ADB. Over here, these two angles ACB and the angle ADB are equal in measurement because these angles are angles in the same segment, right? In this figure, here is a circle with center O, and LM is the tangent on this circle which touches the circle at point B. Now, angle X should be equal to the angle Y. This angle X is the angle between chord and the tangent on the circle, and this angle Y is the angle subtended by the same chord in the alternate segment. So, the angle between a tangent and a chord at the point of contact is equal to the angle subtended by the chord in the alternate segment. Fourth property is angles in opposite segments are supplementary. Here in this figure, the vertices of a quadrilateral A, B, C, D touch the circumference of a circle. So the angles ADC and ABC are opposite to one another, so they add up to 180. These two angles are opposite angles in a cyclic quadrilateral, so their sum is 180. We may say these angles are supplementary to one another. Now, last but not the least, the fifth property, the angle between a tangent and a chord at the point of contact is equal to the angle subtended by the chord in the alternate segment. In the same figure, if we consider the angle I, the angle between chord AB and the tangent LM, this angle I is equal to the angle subtended by this chord in the alternate segment, means angle J. So angle I would be equal to angle J, right? For better understanding, I have selected part C of question 9 from exercise 13C. Over here, we have to find out the angle X. To find out this angle X, first we use the fifth property over here. This angle is 44, the angle subtended, the angle between the tangent to the circle and the chord. This is angle 44, and the angle subtended by the same chord in the alternate segment would also be of 44 degree, right? So it is easier for us now to find out the value of X, because we will consider this triangle and sum of all the internal angles of the triangle, is equal to 180, and when we subtract sum of 44 and 59 from 180, it will result the angle X. This is how we use the different properties to solve the questions. Wish you all the best. See you in the next lesson. Bye.